In today's video, I'm going to teach you Access Query Criteria, how to use criteria in your Microsoft Access queries. Access Queries Criteria. We're going to walk through opening your database, switching a query into design view, choosing the field you want to filter, writing clear criteria expressions, and running the query to see the refined results. By the end, you'll feel confident narrowing big tables down to exactly the rows you need. Start by launching Microsoft Access and opening the database that contains your tables and queries. In the navigation pane on the left, locate the query you want to work with. If the pane is hidden, click the chevron to expand it so you can see all your objects. Open the query in Design View. The quickest way is to right-click the query name and choose Design View. This view has two main parts. Your tables appear at the top with their fields, and the design grid sits at the bottom, where each column represents a field that will appear in the results. This grid is where you'll set criteria, identify the field you want to filter in the grid. If it's already listed as a column, great, use that one. If it isn't there yet, add it by double-clicking the field in the table list above, and Access will drop it into the next open column. You can leave the show box checked if you want that field to appear in your results. Even if you hide it, you can still filter by it. Now locate the criteria row for that field and type your expression. Think about the data type. For text, type what you want to match, like Seattle. Access will add quotes for you if needed. For numbers, use operators such as walsh, ishal, or cheese, for example, 500. For dates, wrap the date in pound signs, like between number 1/1/2025 and number 1/31/2025. To match patterns, use like with wildcards, such as like A for values beginning with A, or like widget to find values that contain the word widget anywhere. To check for empty values, use is null or is not null. If you need alternatives, place one condition in the criteria row and the other on the or row just below it, or use INABC for a list. When your criteria is set, click the Run button on the ribbon, the one with the red exclamation point. Your query opens in Datasheet view with filtered results. If you don't see what you expect, switch back to Design View, adjust the criteria, and run it again. Small tweaks, like confirming text versus number types or tightening a date range, often make all the difference. Keep iterating until your results match your intent and you're done.